According to the neo-Darwin theory, in the contemporary world, it's not about survival of the fittest, but survival of the fastest. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Utkarsha and I'm here with my lecturate topic on China's BRI and implications on India. So first of all, understand BRI, Belt and Road Initiative of China for India. Now what is BRI basically? It's road and maritime routes for China which helps it in trade increasement. The maritime Silk Route from the oceans is back from the spice route which the China was involved. Now let's talk about why it is implications for India, because the thing we have to note down here is it using the debt trap policy against many countries. The debt trap policies includes Pakistan, which we all know the CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and also with other countries, which is a major setback for India. Also, if we talk about India's dependency on China, we talk about rare earth mineral, we talk about active pharmaceutical ingredients, we have a dependency on China, but we are also looking for the alternatives for it. Now talking about India's major, we have produced our IMEC, India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor, which is a replication for our spice route which we had in history, and it's very important for our trade route for the world. We have also seen many reforms with our trade development with many countries, the maritime road of the IMEC, and many trade developments in the recent past. Also, if we talk about China's counter, we have settled for diplomatic ties like the Quad, many SCO summit, and many other organization which has helped us to establish a very strong bond with many countries against China, which has helped us to develop a good bond against China and also to have a good diplomatic ties with other countries like US, Japan. Also, if we talk about the recent SCO summit, we established that the dragon and the elephant should dance together, but also to have a boundary that our sovereignty would not be compromised. Like we see in CPEC, the China is making constructions and infrastructure in our territory, like in the POK region, which is not at all which is very much against our sovereignty and is not to be agreed. So lastly, in my opinion, I think that China should be countered with strong infrastructure building, and we should not depend on China for our infrastructure. We should have strong IMEC building with other countries and to have counteracts within our nation and global. Also the Act East policy which will help us to have strong connections with other countries and counter China for our own development. Thank you.